Okay, so today we're going to do a simple little job, which is to change the bulb in the centre light of the Fiesta tailgate. It's pretty easy. It looks a bit tricky, but it's not. So let's just open up inside. So what we'll do is we'll just use a little plastic panel tool to save scratching the paint, and you just dig the grommet off. Dig the grommet out like that, and then the other side, just dig the grommet off. You can do it with your fingers, really. There we are. Simple as that. And then inside here, there is a little spring clip. Now, it's very difficult to see, but it's a piece of cake to deal with, because all you do is you get yourself a screwdriver. It doesn't need to be anything fancy at all, just a flat blade. Pop it in there, just give it a push forward, and it just locks itself back, and the same the other side. That's it, done. As simple as that. And then all we do, come back with a plastic panel tool again, and then just give it a little lever up from the bottom on both sides. I'm not the master of filming while I'm working. There we go, that's freed it, and out it comes, and in there you'll see the bulb. And it is very simple, this bulb. It's just a little push fit, so you just give it a little wiggle and pull it out, and there it is. And it's as simple as all that. And as they say in all old-fashioned, good old repair manuals, putting it back together is a reversal of the removal process. And that's it for today.